Just in time for the holidays, the all-new 2023 QX80 has arrived. A full-size luxury vehicle with all the equipment, comfortable ride, and a vehicle that'll last you a lifetime. And right now, if you purchase at least one from INFINITI of Melbourne, you get 3 years worth of factory scheduled maintenance included at no additional charge. And it's only INFINITI of Melbourne. I'll see you here.